Hey, it's Jim Ed with the Improvement Channel. Today I'm here on the Lanciani channel. We're going to do some really cool stuff with this welding helmet. So Andrew did receive this for free for exchange for this video, but Andrew's not a welder. I am. I'm happy to do this for him and look over this helmet. First thing I'll say about it, here's everything you get, not including the gloves, but you get a bag to put it in. You get some very detailed instructions, which are nice. You get a replacement inside lens, and you get a replacement outside lens. It's very nice to get those included in the initial purchase. So let's move all that to the side, and let's look at what we get here. Now, I'm 50 years old, and it is harder for me to see in low light conditions, and welding is a very low light condition when you're looking through your welding helmet. So one thing I'm really looking forward to showing you at home the difference is this LED light. The LED light is just a simple push button on the side here, and it's got 3 different settings. It also has a button here for you can have these on and then wave and they'll come on, or they'll automatically come on in some configuration. Now, one of the most important things to me though is this part right here. My older helmet is kind of wearing out. This all needs to be replaced. This is probably at the price point these are running on a really nice helmet. It's probably just easier just to replace the whole thing. Lots of adjustments here. This has a very comfortable piece that sits low on the back of your head and really secures the helmet in well. There's 2 pieces across the top of your head, and then of course you've got your sweatband here for across your forehead. Just with my initial trying it on and getting it adjusted, it happens really quick. It adjusts all through the forehead and the back when you tighten that up. So it's tight and feels good and really snug. I'm not worried about the helmet coming off. And then there's adjustments here for having the helmet drop down like you want it to. So that's about where I'm going to want it right there. And it also seems to stay up like you want it to. It kind of clicks through things and stays up and out of the way in between welds. So let's do just a little bit of welding here. I'm going to check it out. This is going to be for the very first time. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to take this helmet off. I'm going to weld with my old helmet, and Andrew is going to hold the camera inside this helmet so you can see the difference between the LEDs and being on and not being on. So first thing I can tell you under the helmet, when I turn the LEDs on, okay, so that's with the lights on. I'm going to try it with the lights off, see if I can tell much of a difference. You know, I would say with the LEDs on that there is a little bit of difference, but I'm in my shop. I've got super bright lights for filming and things, so I am getting not that much of a difference. But I would imagine if you're up under a vehicle or trying to weld somewhere where the light's not great, this would be make a huge difference. So let me get this helmet off, and let's get the camera behind the helmet so you can see what things look like. So that gives you a good perspective of what you're seeing through the helmet or what I'm seeing through the helmet. Yeah, this thing's awesome. It's a winner.